self-discipline is the center of the all success. This is just true. If we talk about the self-discipline, it's come and it will be related to the your willpower and self-controls and self-controls and willpowers. When we liberate our own willpowers, you became the master of your own personal world. It is the transforming your personal's inner and outer world. And through the week continuous practice to be strengthened of the willpower and to strengthen of the self controls, and it is related to our the self government. If you will be master to control your mind, your discipline, your willpower, your self government, I think in this planet there will no any hurdle to reach to get your success what you want in your life. So willpower and self control, it is very important. And what should be the wisdom and of the self discipline? I think discipline is the built by the consistency performing through the small act of the courage. The courage is that what you want to initiate in the life. Only if you have the courage, you can do. If you have not courage, you cannot do anything in your life, and it will be impact on negativity on your self discipline, self mastery, and master control also. And abundance of the willpower and discipline is the one main contribution, main attribute of all those who have the strong character and wonderful life. Willpower allow you what you want to say, you can do. Willpower allow you what you want to do in your life, you can do. So it is start through your courage, small act of the courage, and small victory will be lead to the large victory. So small courage will be helpful to take the large courage. So we should always believe that we should show our courage. The more you mature the improve of the self discipline, it more it will be mature. It means that once you when you control your thought, you control your mind. When you control your mind, you control the your life. And self mastery is the DNA of the life mastery. So we should know the how to control our mind. We should know how to control our thought. So it is very related your thought, willpowers, and ultimately it will come your success. So the continuous practice of the self discipline and willpowers. And willpower is the essentials. Self discipline is the essential virtue of fully actualized life. If you want to materialize anything in your life, what you have to dream. If you want to actualize your dream in this life, so willpower, self discipline, self mastery, it is the such type of the ingredient which is in with us. I think with this help, with this practice, you can achieve a lot of things what you want in your life. Building willpowers. It is the like the you have to giving the some freedom. Freedom like that you have build your house. You build it by the bricks. It bricks. The first bricks you should lay in the foundation is the willpowers. So willpower, as it is very important, it is very essential. It is very essential virtue to actualize your dream, to materialize your dream, and continuous striving to realize your dream is also called the happiness. See, what is the importance of the discipline, willpowers, and we know that self mastery is the DNA of the life mastery. it comes through the your thought, strong willpowers, and the strong willpower and thought is the main attribute in your personal characters, and it's in your habit, and it is the foundation of your success. So how can you develop strong discipline? How can you develop your strong willpower? This is the main things we should know. The importance of this self-discipline, willpower, we understand. But how can we develop? See, in the ancient times, when the monk used to do in their life, how can they be the master in the self-control? How can be the master in their wisdom? So this is the one thing that's called the mantra. See, mantra is the, like the word, and it is related with the your wisdom without proper tool of its application is no wisdom. And what is the technique, what is the applications? The mantra which many your people, many monk in the ancient time used to do in their personal life for the prophecy in their, for the prophecy and expertise of the self government, yeah, self controls. So mantra is the word. Mantra, it means like the affirmations. It is like the, means you can tell what are the verbal embodiment of the powers. What are the great influencer? As we know that by filling your mind the word of hope, you become the hopeless. By filling the word of the kindness in your mind, you become the kind. By filling the word of the courage in your mind, you become the courageous in your life. So like that word have more power. Use it or lose it. And to build willpowers and inner strength, we should must use it. So what, there is a lot of world we have to understand. It is so much power. If you putting all the word of your hope, your courage, your discipline, your willing power in your mind, I think you will also do some same things. So we should always use mantra to make some discipline, make strong willpowers, to feel positive, energetic things in your mind through the mantra. And you have we have to collect the word of the wisdom, of your hope, of your ambition, of your dream, and for 4 to 100 to 150 times or 2 times you have to repeat this word in the early morning. I think it will be the great influencers, which is very helpful. Second thing is that I'm calling about the Kaizen theory. Japanese means Kaizen. Kaizen means it is the meaning of that constant and never ending improvement. And the philosophy of Kaizens, it is totally depend on the your consistency and never ending enrichment of your mind, and enrichment of your mind, body, and also you can tell soul in your new life. So it is mean that Kaizens, never ending improvement. Whatever we have to do, what step we do to build the strong willpower, to maintain the self disciplines, and how can we develop your self disciplines. So we should, once you develop, and you have to try to apply this Kaizen theory, and we have to try to some things which is the important of our improvement, which will increase a high degree of your confidence level, high degree of the discipline life. It is the never ending improvement. We should continuous engage to improvement our self confidence, our willpower, which is very helpful to make the success. And one lastly, I will like to tell you that war of silence. This is the also theory of the ancient time when many monks to use to their in practical life. For and many peoples in our old generations, even they believe that silence of the 1 day, 2 days, even in the some religious, Jain religious, still many people are uh, following the law of the silence. It is giving the practice of your self confidence. It is the giving the practice of the willpowers. And once you follow the way of silence, it means that you have to not speak any word, and whatever you will get the response from the outer world, and within the getting response, then you have to not speak. It means that you have the control or your imagination. You have to control your motion. You have to control your thought. So it is giving the means inner strength of yourself, which is very helpful to make successful, to make discipline, to make very strengthening of the willpower, and it is very helpful to get self mastery, yes, self government of your personal life. And finally, I will tell that self government, self mastery is the DNA of the life mastery. Once you will achieve this mastery, I think you will achieve a lot of achieve a lot of accomplishment in your life. Thank you very much.